Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make mummy chocolate chip cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and you want that softened to room temperature. Then you need 1.5 cups of brown sugar and a half a cup of granulated sugar. I already have those in my large bowl here. Then we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and then 1.5 cups of chocolate chips, any kind you like. I'm using milk chocolate, but you could use the semi-sweet or the dark if you want. And then for the decorations, we're going to need some just regular sized marshmallows. I'm not sure how many we're going to need yet for the cookies. And then some eyeballs. I have these large ones and I was just trying to find something to use them with. So I think these will be perfect. So that's all you need for all of your ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. All right, my cookie sheet is lined with parchment paper. So next, to our bowl, add your softened butter, and we are just going to mix that with an electric mixer until it is nice and fluffy. All right, next we are going to add in our eggs and vanilla extract and just mix that again until it's smooth. All right, that looks good to me. So next, to my flour, I added my salt and my baking soda and just gave that a little stir. And now we're going to add the dry ingredients into our wet, 1/3 at a time, mixing it in between each addition. All right, I added that in as much as I could with my mixer, and then I just continued it with a spatula by hand. So now I am going to go ahead and fold in my 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. All right, that looks great. So now I'm going to take tablespoon-sized balls using my cookie scoop and just put them on onto the parchment paper. All right, my first batch is ready to go into the oven. I just put 9 on there because I'm not sure how much these spread. So we are going to go ahead and bake these for 8 to 10 minutes at 350. All right, my first batch of cookies just came out of the oven, and I am going to let them go ahead and cool for 5 minutes and then move them to a cooling rack to cool completely. And they didn't really spread that much, so I think I could fit 12 on my next batch. All right, most of my cookies are cooled, so now we are going to get to work on making our marshmallow decoration. So I have 3 marshmallows here in a bowl, and I'm just going to microwave those in 20-second increments and give it a little stir. So just 20 seconds and give it a stir. All right, I got a few of my mummy cookies done, but I ran out of marshmallows, so I'm going to have to go to the store and get more. But they look so cute. So basically, after you get the marshmallow out of the microwave after 20 seconds, stir it with a spoon, and then you just work quickly, get it through your fingers and just stretch it. I mean, it looks like spider webs, but I think they turned out so cute. And then you hurry up and put your eyeballs on, so when the marshmallow dries, the eyes will set in there. If your marshmallow does harden too fast, you can stick it back in there for about 10 seconds, but just be careful you don't burn yourself. All right, all of my cookies are done, and you can just keep melting your marshmallow in the microwave if it gets too hard. And you can add as little or as much as you want of the marshmallow. Some of them I added more. That little guy's missing an eye, but I think they turned out so cute, and I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. And FYI, do not try to stack these on top of each other. It does not work. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween.